having a professional looking LinkedIn profile is really important. If you are a designer or you are a developer, if you are looking for a new job, or if you are looking to switch your current job for a better pay scale, you have to have a LinkedIn profile because that's a requirement nowadays. And in order to improve your LinkedIn profile, you should have a professional looking LinkedIn profile picture. And in this video, I'm going to show you an AI tool through which you can convert any of your basic selfie into a professional looking LinkedIn profile. And this tool is completely free to use. So all you have to do is just watch this complete video and subscribe to this channel. I'm your host Bilal Nasir, where we create a lot of tutorials related to web design, Shopify, WordPress, and AI tools. So in this video, I'm going to show you an AI tool through which you can convert your basic looking selfie into a professional looking LinkedIn picture. Let me show you the result. So that's the picture which I have converted, and these are the results. So that's the one result, that's another result, and that's how the third picture looks like. So you can create these multiple variations for your LinkedIn profile picture and see which ones you like the most and use it to your LinkedIn profile. So let's now jump into creating this type of pictures. So guys, here we are with Google Collaboratory. You will find this link in the YouTube video description. And Google Collab is basically a tool through which you can run Python code in a virtual environment completely for free, right? So once you open that link, you will have an interface like this, and all you have to do is just click on this play button here and then click on run anyway. Make sure you're already logged into your Google account. It's gonna take a few minutes to complete the process. And once the process is completed, you will have a URL showing up on the bottom where you can access that tool. Now you can see it's executing the codes. Okay guys, our code has been executed. And now when you scroll down to the bottom, you have the URL showing up, which is ending with gradio.live. So click on that URL. And this is how you will see. Now click on input image, scroll down, and then click on in paint or out paint. Once you do that, upload the image by clicking on this here. And I'm going to upload this image here. And then click on open. Perfect, our image has been uploaded. Now click on advanced. And from these options here, in performance, you can choose from quality, speed, extreme speed, lightning. So basically quality is going to take more time to generate an image, but it will have a better picture quality. When you select speed, it's going to compromise a little bit on the quality, but it's going to give you faster results. We are going to generate 2 images out of the image which we are uploading. You can generate multiple variations like 4, 6, or whatever number of variations you need. I'm going to go with the 2. And you can have your output format as PNG, JPEG, or WebP. PNG is completely fine for me. And then let's go to advanced. And then click on developer debug mode. From developer debug mode, click on control and then select mixing image prompt and in paint. Now we're gonna paint the surface of this image. Now what we want from this image is the face, and we want to change all the atmosphere and everything and the clothes itself, right? So here's the brush icon, click on that and increase the size of the brush. And now start painting the image. So I'm going to paint all of the areas where I want to change using AI. So if you leave out any of the area, this tool is not going to change anything on that area. And you can also undo it by clicking on this icon here. So if you, for example, I just added an extra area which I don't want to be selected, I'm just going to click on this undo sign to undo that. And now let's select all the remaining areas. Oops, can I undo that again? So that part is a little difficult and you have to be a little careful to not to select your hairs, because if you do, it's gonna change your hairs as well. Okay, I'm going to carefully select the clothes. Perfect. Let's do the neck as well. Okay, I just want my face. Perfect. That's it. Now we will have to add a prompt here. In my case, I used ChatGPT to generate the prompt. So this is how I generated the prompt. I just gave a command to ChatGPT that please create a prompt to generate a professional LinkedIn photo where I'm in office suit. You can create your own prompts and play with the variations. So that's the first prompt it gave me. And then I gave it that I want the laptop to be shown when I am on that picture. So I just gave this part additional and it gave me another prompt. Let's use this first prompt to see what other results are. So I'm going to copy this prompt here and then paste this prompt here and then click on generate. Now it's going to take around 30 to 40 seconds to generate one picture. Okay guys, now you can see it's generating the image. Okay, our first image has been generated. Now let me open that in a new tab. Click on open image in new tab. And here you can see our professional looking LinkedIn profile picture is ready to be used. Now let's check out the second variation. Okay, so these are the two variations which it generated. Cool, right? Now you can create a little more realistic picture when you have the picture which is clear on your face. So in here, I have a little blur on my face, and if I would have a better quality selfie, I would be able to generate a better quality picture with that. Also, I have selected the speed. So if you want more professional quality, you can select the quality here to increase the quality, and you can also select the aspect ratio. So the better, more the aspect ratio is, the better the quality. Cool, right? Okay guys, that's it for the tutorial. If you want more tutorials like this AI tool which I told you guys for generating profile LinkedIn picture, let me know in the comments below and I'll create more AI tutorials for you. Until next video, have a great day.